My cameraman was scrolling through GroupOn and we just found this business. It's called Salt Room. Basically it's a room filled with salt. And I already experienced the benefits of salt with sensory deprivation tanks. And because I have psoriasis, I think it can help a lot. In the brochure it says it helps a lot with skin conditions, respiratory conditions, it helps a lot with lungs and sleeping pattern as well. We're gonna try the room, I'm gonna show you around and let's see if it works.
A little private beach, indoor beach that we have for kids. So mums can come in with little toddlers and they can dig in the salt like they're having a day at the beach and they're getting salt on their skin. Kids get eczema on their skin and if they've got sniffles. You're going to be in our main group room on your own, but I'll show you the private room as well.
When you come out the private room, we'll have someone.
It'll be booked, so I thought you might like to have a look at that first. So we don't ever put strangers in here together, so one person can come in and be on their own or two people can get out of the way.
That's nice. Thank you.
It's very pretty, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
It's so relaxing.
Very intimate as well.
Really lovely.
Yeah, nice.
We take shoes off. Put these little booties on your feet, so I'll just pop your shoes over here. Come take a seat, it's easier to pop these on. The session goes for 45 minutes. What will happen is I'll turn the machine on. This is the halo generator, so it grinds the salt into very, very fine particles of salt and it blows it into the room. It'll settle on your skin, so if you've got any of your psoriasis, it's very, very...
So maybe I leave this outside and I'll take pictures after.
Yeah, it's salt, so it might be better outside here.
Yeah. We've just been told that the machine over there is gonna spray salt in the air and the salt will deposit in our skin for the benefits. So after this moment I'm gonna put the camera outside because I think in 45-minute session the camera will be destroyed with all the salt floating around and falling on the microphone and the lens. So you're gonna see something but not the entire session. But I'll see you later. Ciao! We just left the place after a 45-minute session. My whole body is itching because of the psoriasis I have in my head, in my eyebrows and in my face, but she said that it's gonna be very good not to wash it, so if you can, not to have a shower tonight because it will heal your psoriasis or your dermatitis of your skin condition and it helps you sleeping better. So tonight I will see if I can rest properly. Another thing she said is she's ordering the salt from New Zealand because Western Australia allows only to buy 1 ton each time, not less than that. 2 tons. Sorry, they're telling me 2 tons each time and it doesn't allow any less than that, so she's buying half a ton each time from New Zealand. And the price was, I don't remember how much it was. The place was fantastic, it's not too expensive, so if you have any skin condition or breathing condition or you're not sleeping properly, I recommend it. It's based in Perth, so if you're here, have a look. We booked this through GroupOn, gives you the chance of having something affordable and something very healthy for your body. I woke up around 1 hour ago and I went to the gym. I feel something's different. I think it's because of the salt actually. My breathing improved a lot. My nose stopped leaking. It was leaking for 7-10 days non-stop. Every morning I was waking up. And now it's gone. So I'm not sure about the psoriasis. My head was itching all day and now it's not itchy anymore. I had a shower. I washed the salt off. But I don't see any sign of psoriasis anymore. Not on my skin, not on my head, not here. A little bit in the eyebrows, but what can you do? But the breathing is so good now. If you're in Perth and you want to try, I think it's a great thing if you have some breathing condition or some skin condition. You can find the promotion on GroupOn, you save some money and you can get a lot out of it. The link will be in the description. Have a look, try it once. If it works for you, try it twice. If you're based in Perth and you try it, let me know how it goes. Enjoy and I'll see you in the next video.